Inspired Flight Technologies aircraft join Blue sUAS cleared list. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Today, commercial sUAS, small unmanned aerial systems, manufacturer Inspired Flight Technologies Incorporated, announced that it has received Blue sUAS 2.0 clearance from the Defense Innovation Unit, DIU. Both of Inspired Flight's product lines, the medium-lift IF750 Quadcopter and the heavy-lift IF1200 Hexacopter, were accepted into the program. All Inspired Flight products are immediately available on a standard 3-week lead time. The Department of Defense-led Blue sUAS program serves to certify U.S. manufacturers' aircraft for compliance with all supply chain and cybersecurity requirements pertaining to the operation of UAS by military operators. This certification allows government customers such as the Department of Defense to purchase products by Inspired Flight directly from the GSA schedule, all without the requirement of further approvals. Inspired Flight Blue sUAS clearance. This milestone will enable Inspired Flight to scale its DoD customer base and further establishes this company as a leader in the American UAS manufacturing industry, said CEO Rick Stolmeyer. As a veteran-owned small business, this means a lot to our company, our employees, and for Americans in general. It's a big win. Inspired Flight's IF750 is an adaptable lightweight electric quadcopter developed for third-party sensor integration. Its ability to deploy rapidly, coupled with its compact and manageable design, allows for an intuitive and straightforward workflow for its operator. The model also offers easy upkeep, with repairs simple enough to be carried out by the user, minimizing downtime. Meanwhile, the IF1200 is a resilient electric heavy-lift hexacopter built to fit the needs of a more specific set of requirements. The IF1200's compact size and minimal vibration enable it to integrate with any third-party payload, including LiDAR, radiation detection sensors, gimbaled EO/IR sensors, and delivery capabilities. Prepared to handle intricate and essential commercial and government operations, Inspired Flight's aircraft serve a customer base that includes the energy utility, infrastructure, first responder, and government sectors. With an emphasis on critical infrastructure and public safety verticals, the company's technology is utilized in life-saving and mission-critical ecosystems throughout the country.